Hi everybody, I'm CH Development and welcome to another episode of Random Ramblings. Today's episode I want to chat a bit about imposter syndrome. According to the dictionary, imposter syndrome is the persistent inability to believe that one's success is deserved or has been legitimately achieved as a result of one's own effort or skills. Imposter syndrome is something that seems to be not specific to the IT industry, but is fairly prominent in the IT industry, especially with development or programming. I also experienced imposter syndrome. Being a self-taught developer and only starting development as a career in my mid to late 20s, I felt like I didn't belong and somebody's gonna realize it sooner or later and tell me I'm not supposed to do what I'm doing, or I know nothing, or whatever the case may be. Now, personally, I don't experience imposter syndrome anymore. And how I overcame it, if you want to use that word, is confidence. Now, after 10 years, I've built up the confidence to know that it's not a case that I don't belong here. Obviously, there's always going to be somebody better than me, but there's always going to be somebody worse than me. So I don't feel like I'm not supposed to be here anymore. But the main thing I want to focus on with regards to imposter syndrome is that it's not necessarily a bad thing. For me, it was kind of my motivation to learn more and become more skilled in the field I'm in. And it helped me grow to the extent that I was confident enough to not feel like an imposter anymore. You don't really have to look at it as a bad thing, because it can be good motivation to learn more development or learn more in your field and expand your knowledge to the point that you don't have to feel like an imposter. And it might just be the thing that puts you ahead of the rest because it makes you study more and learn more than the normal person would. But irregardless of imposter syndrome, as a developer, I think you should never stop growing and learning, because there's always something new to learn and the field is always expanding and changing. And the day you stop learning is really the day that you're going to fall behind, and then imposter syndrome might kick in anyway. That's just my thoughts on it. I hope it was informative, and if you have any comments, you're welcome to leave them down below. Thanks.